Hey, this is Lindsay Fisher, and I'm going to show you the new Flipgrid features as far as filters. Lots of alliteration there. So I'm making a video of me recording a video. It's very meta. Alright, so over here you've got the filters. So the first one is a great filter for those students who really don't like having their face shown. So, boom. Ta-da! Now you can talk and nobody can see me. What's up? So some students just don't like having their face on camera, so this is a good one for them. The rest of them just kind of change the color of what's going on behind you. Other cool features is that you can now write, so you can say like, hey, when we're talking about this, you can look over here or draw different other things. You can include stickers. So now I've got a little puppy in here along with me. I'll also make a whiteboard, which is really cool. So here is your whiteboard, or your blackboard in this case. Change its color, and we can write. So you could say, kind of like Khan Academy style. So you could say, here is a dog. So a few just neat features. You can also add in pictures. So let's say that I want to put a sticker to show over my video, then I can draw on it. You can upload a sticker. So here's a picture that I have in there. So now I can go, okay. This is technology. And so those are the different new Flipgrid features.